Going to look at how to place the back panels onto the front of your design. So we've got a rectangular cushion and we've also got the square cushion. This is just to help with the flaps so that you know which one goes first and which one goes second. So with the long cushion, we've got a long panel and a short panel, and whichever one you put on first is going to be the one that's on the top when you turn it right side out after you've made it. So we want the long panel to be on the front so that it's really easy to slide in. Look at the square cushion. So here we have the square. The difference is with the square cushion, whichever your top side of your design, you want your first flap to go down because you want that flap to be facing downwards. It just sits better on when you're using the cushion. So whichever way is the top of your design, you put your top flap on first, and then you place your lower flap second, and then just stitch all the way around the edge. Just go to the next step and yeah, complete your cushion. So before we've started, all of our pieces we've edged with a tiny stitch line like so. This is 1/2 centimetre from the edge or less. You can do a zigzag over the edge, you can do a serger, whatever you have. I only use straight stitch, so I'm just doing a straight stitch that holds all the threads in really neatly, so as I work they don't fray away. And push the cardboard really tight into that edge so that your seam is really neat. There we go. And just slide that cardboard out. And look how beautiful your edge is and how easy that was. So I'm going to do that to the other one as well, and then we're going to head over to the sewing machine. Super, so we have our 2 back pieces prepared, and we have folded over the edges with a 1 centimetre fold twice over with our cardboard strip. Now I'm pinned on the front, and we're going to stitch along that edge a 1 centimetre seam allowance. Line. Rather than going at this angle, this way you get a lot less fabric in your corner, but make sure you don't snip that thread, the corner thread itself. If you do, just pop it back under the sewing machine and cut the corner again, or stitch the corner again, not cut the corner again. So that's how you want it to look. So it's your corner.